Minister Nottage was at Bethel Baptist Church this morning for a service to commemorate an International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, an event put on by the Ministry of National Security. Dr. Nottage, who is also the area Member of Parliament, pleaded with the congregation to help combat the crime scourge. Vaughn Albury reports.
I beg you to join us in this war because it is a war. I'm not exaggerating. It is a war.
The National Security Minister told Bethel Baptist that the war being waged in New Providence includes two gangs police believe are responsible for a number of crimes, including murder and drug trafficking. The Honorable Bernard Nottage says they are ensnaring our young people.
There's one order on one side and fire and theft on the other side, and there are a whole lot of young people stuck in the middle there somewhere, making the wrong choices, doing the wrong things, falling short of the glory of God. And they are our children and our grandchildren. And we have a duty to redirect them.
With reports indicating that children as young as 9 years old smoking marijuana, the Bain and Grantstown MP told Bethel Baptist to join this war, as the church is perhaps the most influential social agent for change.
But we have come to beg you to join us in this war. For it is a war for our community, for our country, and for our children's heads and minds and hearts.
Dr. Nottage was joined by a number of organizations chartered with fighting the drug war, as well as non-governmental organizations, including BASH and Teen Challenge. He said the war can be won if forces unite to combat it, especially parents.
I say we need the community. We need the parents to be parents and to stop renting their children out to these gang leaders and stop inviting these gang leaders into their homes for the resources that they can bring without thinking about the degrading effect it has on our children and on our society. It's time for that to stop. And so I beg you to join us in this war because it is a war. I'm not exaggerating. It is a war.
And I am Vaughn Albury, ZNS News.